Hi, I'm Crystal and welcome to E Prime. Bacchanal Friday is winding down, but soca fans continue to enjoy the experience. Last Friday was the 2-for-1 Fete, which featured DJ Sanjay and Duchess out of Trinidad and Tobago. We share the highlights.
I have a circle of best friends, a circle of brethren, yeah. I have a big plan. My hand and your hand is all we need. Today I'm on a mission. I ain't stopping, I made my decision. Today I'm on a mission, and I'm moving full speed ahead.
Bacchanal Friday will be hosting a live band this weekend at the Mass Camp venue, and organizers were eager to share the details.
We're coming up to the end of the Friday night season. We have just one more show to go, and next week we have a big band, and we have Father Fox. So, we're raising the bar again next week.
With anticipation high, Beach Juve scheduled to take place at the Grizzlies Plantation Cove in St. Anne on April 15, Bacchanal Juve on April 21, and on Sunday, April 23, it's the Road March. Grammy Award-winning multi-platinum international recording artist Pitbull last evening shared the WrestleMania stage with Stephen Ragam Marley. The two performed to a sold-out crowd, singing their newest hit single, Options. The medley performance also saw Flo Rida and Lunch Money Lewis taking the stage, performing their WrestleMania 33 theme song, Green Lights. No Violence in Love was launched on February 14 of this year. The campaign was launched by filmmaker Donovan Watkiss and media personality Debbie Bissoon as a public service call for love and unity. Since the campaign's launch, the message has gone viral, and its hashtag No Violence in Love picked up across the region and in the diaspora by a number of local and international platforms. The campaign has also found a home on the screens in all Palace cinemas island-wide before every movie selection. The No Violence in Love team on the weekend released the official soundtrack and music video, which features reggae recording artist and comedian Donald Iceman Anderson, recording artist Ikea, and appearances from 21 popular Jamaican personalities. The single is now available and will be distributed on all digital platforms, with a full No Violence EP set to be released on April 30. And that's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I'm Crystal. Blessings.